Good morning, students. Yesterday we have seen about the introduction of Raniket's gift, and today we are going to see about the Raniket's gift first two paragraphs explanation. Let's see. Raniket's gift. The beauty, splendor and magnificence of nature has often made humankind aware of its own shortcoming. We are aware of its own shortcoming. What shortcoming it is? When the rain comes, when it is too cold, we are undergoing shortcomings. What is that? We are in the woolen clothes. It's very cold. When thunder is thundering, we close our ears. These are some of the shortcomings, and we know that. That's what it says. Okay. Have you ever experienced this? Let's see. The dull light of the frosted glass of the door heralded a new day. A peak outside presented the picture of an overcast sky with tall looming pines standing motionless, awaiting the attack from above. A gust of wind, followed by a clap of thunder, unleashed the rains, and down it came with full ferocity. The monsoons had arrived in Raniket. It was a wonderful sight, the water gushing and gurgling down the slope, the trees swaying and the leaves dancing in the mirth to the accompaniment of the now roaring wind and the orchestral din of the pounding rain on the tin roof of our bungalow. We had to dive inside our woolens and socks. The noise grew louder and louder as white marbles of hail came dashing down to earth, covering the lawn in the white gravel. It rained incessantly for a couple of hours, and then a sudden calm descended over the hills. What it is? Let's see. It's a beautiful poem. Okay? The dull light on the frosted glass. The window is there. The light which is traveling through the glass, it is dull because it is a frosted glass. It is not a transparent glass. Transparent means from here you can see outside through the glass. That is said to be transparent. Non-transparent means you cannot see it clearly. That we say as frosted glass of the door. Heralded a new day. That means heralded means announcing a new day. Slowly the dull light is coming. So it shows that it is the new day, morning. A peak outside, sudden outside presented the picture. Suddenly outside the picture of the sky we can see with tall looming pines, and nearby our house, that is poet's house, the pine trees are standing straight, standing motionless means without moving. The pine trees are standing straight, awaiting the attack from the above. So the pine trees are waiting for the attack. What attack it is? Let's see. The gust of wind followed by a clap of thunder unleashed the rains. A gust of wind. The wind began to blow, followed by a clap of thunder. So when the wind blew, after that thunder began to thundering. Now thundering is happening. When it is happening? After the wind, the thunder followed. After thunder, that is sound, unleashed. The rain is coming down. Rain is pouring down. It came with full ferocity, full fast, violently. It came. The monsoon had arrived in Raniket. The rainy season arrived in Raniket. So it is about the happenings, natural occurrences. We can see. After the rain occurred, let's see. It was a wonderful sight. The water gushing and gurgling down the slope. So the poet is looking at the water. It is coming down the mountain. I said that Raniket is a mountain place and the waters are coming down Gushing means very fast, the water is flowing. Gurgling means the sound of the water from the slope. It is coming down, the trees swaying and the leaves dancing in the midst. The trees swaying. Swaying means moving here and there. When the wind blew, the trees moved to the accompaniment of the dancing in mirth. The leaves are with the laughter. It is making sounds, right? The leaves make sounds because when the leaves touch one another, so it makes sounds when the wind blow. That is like a orchestral din, orchestral noise. What is meant by orchestra? A team is singing song with a music instrument, that we say as orchestra. Okay, so this orchestral din, it was like an orchestral sing because the trees dancing with the leaves making sound along with when the wind was blowing. Then the rain is also pouring down. So she is living in her bungalow, a big building we can say. Okay, the tin roof. Bungalow is a big building, but for her house, however it is small, made up of tin roof. So she is representing that as her bungalow. On the tin roof, when the rain water drops, it makes sound. Okay, so she is making that. So she is hearing that sound of the water drops on the tin. We had to dive inside for our woolen and socks. Now she began to feel cold along with her family members. Now what she is doing? She is taking her woolen clothes and covering her, and she is wearing her socks. The noise grew louder and louder as white marbles of hail came dashing down the earth. Now the noise is becoming more on the tin. Why? Because not only rain, the hails began to come. That is like a ice particle. Okay, we say that as hail. It is also coming down and it is also making lot of noise. It rained, covering the lawn in the white gravel. So fully all the green grasses become white. It covered with the white hail. So it is said to be gravel. It rained incessantly, that is continuously, for a couple of hours. That is 2 hours we can say, or 4 hours we can say, couple. And then a sudden calm descended over the hills. And then after that everything got stopped. There was silent from the hill. This is what she is saying from the 2 paragraphs. I hope you understood, and please, in the worksheet I have given the word meanings for the next class. Please read it so that it will be very helpful. Thank you.